Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Metal Gear Solid Master Collection Volume 2 game not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PC. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to restart your PC. So simply restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Metal Gear Solid Master Collection Volume 2 game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to update your graphics card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphics card driver via NVIDIA app, and AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Go to the driver sections. Then here click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software and look for a graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 4. Run the game from game installation folder. Run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the mgs_mc2 folder. It is a game folder. Then again open the mgs_mc2 folder, and here you can see mgs_mc2.exe file. First double click this file and then try to launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties, and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If still your problem is not solved, then again right click on it, select properties, go to the compatibility tab, and this time also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down, select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab, and from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also tick mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to turn off Smart App Control. So in Windows search type Smart App Control and open the Smart App Control. And if it is turned on, then you have to turn it off. And after turning off the Smart App Control, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, Webroot, etc., then simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 6 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. And then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Metal Gear Solid Master Collection Volume 2. This is just an example. And then click on properties. And here you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off. Disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to close the conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 9 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install all of them and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix Metal Gear Solid Master Collection Volume 2 game not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.